Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Here I'm Wahidzatun want to share a video, a tutorial. Actually, it's tutorial about how to use Hot Potatoes program. First, you should to install and of course open the Hot Potatoes program in your PC. Okay. Here we should open this. So we can see this is the first look. There are 5 options for you to make a question, to make exercise. There are check close, check quiz, check cross, check match, and check mix. You can choose the other, but now I want to share how to use check quiz. Check quiz is like multiple choice. So first here there's the title. This is the heading of your web page, and then here you can write the question. Example, what is your name? What is your name? Yeah, just like that. So you can fill the answer. Here's the options. If you want to choose another here, another alphabet, there are many and down. Then in feedback, you can fill with correct or incorrect, like this. Also can in here, and so on. Then you can save it in this column. Or you wanna edit, you wanna gap in, and then you upload in your web page. Here there are options, save as, open the new, or and so on. And I think that's all the tutorial for today. Next I will give you another tutorial for hot potatoes. Thanks a lot and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Gimana?
Kelamaan di belakangnya cuy.